Hello, this is Shehzad and you are welcome to Shehzad Iqbal English Language Academy, English Academy. Today I have selected a topic that is the most important. Most of the students get confused with that. So after watching this video, inshallah, you will be able to solve this problem. And the topic is the difference between during and while. What is during, what is while? I am telling you in this video. First of all, the most important difference is during is a preposition. It's a preposition, while is a conjunction. So now we come to know that during is a preposition, so it is compulsory to use during before a noun. We can't use it before a verb, before a gerund, before a subject. No, we will not be able. So during is a preposition and it should be used with a noun. I have some examples I am telling you. While is a conjunction, we come to know that I have told you that this is a conjunction. So it is compulsory that it should be used before a clause when we have a subject and verb. And secondly, we should use before a gerund. What is a gerund? A gerund is ing form of the verb. A gerund is ing form of the verb, but that will not be a continuous tense. That will be used as a noun, as a subject, as an object, whatever. But we will use while with those things. During with noun, while with a conjunction, with subject verb, with gerund. Got it? Now we have some examples. Look at these examples. I met Ali dash break. If I use while, so that is compulsory that there should be ing form of the verb. Or there should be, you can say, subject plus verb. So I met Ali during break, because break is a sort of is a certain time. It's a name. So we can use during break, and during is a preposition. He read a lot the summer. Summer is the name of a time once again. So summer is a noun. The summer, if I'm using the article with summer, so it means it's a noun. So once again we will use during. He read a lot during summer. He kept disturbing me or someone dash the meeting. Meeting is a sort of like talking. The people get together. It's once again a sort of activity. It's a name. It's not a gerund. It's a name. So he kept disturbing during the meeting. The meeting is a noun. I'm putting article, so article is always put with a noun, so that is a noun. So he kept disturbing during the meeting. I was driving dash snowstorm. Dash snowstorm. Snowstorm, noun, once again noun. So I was driving during snowstorm. The snowstorm or storm. So these are nouns: break, summer, the meeting, and the snowstorm. So we are able to put during there. Now come to while. While, as I told you earlier, that we can put it before subject and verb, before gerund. So that is compulsory for that. So there are some examples you can see. I met Ahmad dash learning Chinese. I told you before gerund, so learning is a gerund. Learning is a gerund, so that's why we will put while. I met Ahmad while learning Chinese. Because of learning gerund, I am able to put while. Don't disturb dash, I am speaking. This is what we are. Subject, this is subject, verb, am speaking. Speaking is a main verb. I'm speaking is here is a clause. What I was talking about, I will prepare a video on it, inshallah, next future. So don't disturb while I'm speaking. This is a whole clause. There is subject, there is verb, speaking, there is subject I. So I'm speaking. So if I say don't disturb during I'm speaking, no, that is incorrect, because during is a preposition. I can't put it before a clause. While I'm speaking. He got hurt while jumping. Jumping is a gerund, ing form. So he got hurt while jumping. He got hurt during jumping? No. He got hurt while jumping. I bought some books dash I was coming. Once again, this is the example of subject and verb. So I is a subject, coming is a verb. So I bought some books while I was coming back. So these are some examples. If you got it, this is the best video, so please comment us. Please tell us what do you need extra, what do you need about during and while. If the confusion is still there, so you can comment us and you can ask me. I will make another video, or while I will answer you in comments. If you like it, if you see this is helpful, to please share it with your friends, with your cousins. Keep watching these videos, keep supporting me. I'm thankful. Subscribe to this channel if you didn't. Thank you so much for watching this. Allah Hafiz.